Boing, 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 boing.
You smashed the bird? When you smashed the bird? What did the bird ever do to you?
It just happened.
Oh, okay.
Boing, 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 boing. Blubber. No. 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 I will no. I will revenge you, Blubber. I will save you. Yeah, like I actually smashed that guy. No, you didn't. Oh yeah? I'll show you on my phone. I have proof. You just smashed the bird. What a classic story. I know, man. I'm not. Do you hear that noise? No. Oh no. You'll tell me that that's the bird you just killed. It is. Yoni! Ooh! What are we gonna do? I know what I'm gonna do. Self-sacrifice! Wait, what? Boom. Boom. You had to do something, man. I don't have nothing else to do but explode. You dare kill my brother? Yo. Boom. Oh,
They look sad. We're so proud we have at the twilight's last gleaming.
Why does this have to happen? My brother died. I will get my revenge. Okay, the song. It's time to stop singing. Here comes the next part. There's no singing.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna deal with this punk.
I don't know. Is Mom okay with you using that word?
No. What should I say?
I don't know, but I don't.
I'm gonna deal with this guy, right?
That sounds bad.
I'm gonna deal with him. I'm gonna deal with this guy. Ah, Yoni! New one. Time to finish your fate. Sarcasm. And the bird just walks away and forgets about everything.